Aerobridge is a management server for drone assemblers and drone service providers. Aerobridge provides simple digital tools to bring order to the chaos of managing a drone fleet and its supply chain. Meet Neil. Neil is an operations manager at a small company providing drone inspections for power transmission companies. He oversees the company's drone fleet and interacts with the drone pilots around missions. Neil's company has a mixed fleet of 10 different commercial drones that they have purchased, like DJI Mavics, Eldastar, and Skydio over time. They also build in-house turnkey drone platforms to meet their needs as they fly in challenging environments or to develop new use cases. Neil has to manage a growing drone fleet, the supply chain of drones and components, the maintenance, and monitor the flight missions. But he faces some challenges. Fleet management. Neil still uses the conventional ways like spreadsheets, Notepad, or conversations with pilots on a daily basis for tasks like battery cycles, propellers replacements, sourcing equipment or parts, or supply chain management. High standard of safety. The growth in the business means that Neil also wants to implement digital security features for his organization. He wants to prevent pilots flying without the company's authorization in order to have professional operations. Neil can use one of the fleet management software available in market, but they have many unwanted features and they add costs to his operations. They are expensive. Luckily, Neil now has Aerobridge. Aerobridge works with your fleet to track and manage different activities. He takes baby steps. Set up his fleet and the components via our Blueprints feature. Add his drone pilots. Manage vendors, suppliers. Now he can start tracking small things like propeller replacements, check if batteries are charged for his entire fleet with a click of a mouse. He already plans additional activities to track. For example, tracking purchases to get insights into his procurement expenses. Neil can now visualize and track his procurement history, produce reports to optimize resources. Neil uses the digital flight authorizations for the security-sensitive inspection business, growing his revenue and trust in his organization. Aerobridge enables Neil to enhance the safety of his flight missions for the inspection business, enabling him to gain trust of his client and thus grow his revenues. Aerobridge is made with love for the craft by a pioneering community. You can join to have a say in how it is developed. You can be a drone manufacturer or assembler, a fleet operator, or a drone pilot. Get started at aerobridge.io, the fully open source management server for your fleet and security needs.